Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to capture a window with the Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. First, open the Snipping Tool from the Start menu and make sure you are in screenshot mode. Click the New button to start a new capture. After that, choose the Window Snip option from the Capture Mode menu. Now simply click on the window that you want to capture, such as Google Chrome, File Explorer, or any other application. The Snipping Tool will automatically capture only that selected window. The screenshot will then open in the Snipping Tool editor. From here, you can quickly review the image and make small edits if needed. To save the screenshot, click the Save icon, choose a folder on your computer, enter a file name, and click Save. You can also use the Copy option to copy the screenshot and paste it into another application. Window Snip is useful because it captures only the selected window without including the rest of the screen. That's how to capture a window with the Snipping Tool on Windows in 2026. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials.